Heart full of hope. Understanding the essence. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspiring phrase, heart full of hope. This expression is not just words, it's a feeling, a state of being, and a way to view the world. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's so powerful in English communication. When we say someone has a heart full of hope, we're describing a person who is optimistic and positive about the future. Hope is a feeling of expectation and desire for a certain thing to happen. Having a heart full of it means that deep inside, where emotions and dreams live, there is a strong belief that good things are coming. This phrase often implies a sense of resilience, suggesting that despite challenges or difficulties, the individual remains confident and hopeful. This phrase can be used in various contexts, both formal and informal. It's a versatile expression that fits well in motivational speeches, storytelling, personal conversations, and even in writing. Here are a few examples to show how it can be used. In encouragement, even in tough times, she kept a heart full of hope. To inspire, maintain a heart full of hope, and you'll see the light at the end of the tunnel. In storytelling, the hero of our story is a young man with a heart full of hope, ready to face any challenge. The power of this phrase lies in its ability to convey emotion and resilience. It speaks to our deepest desires for a brighter future and our ability to remain optimistic in the face of adversity. Using this phrase can uplift someone's spirit, motivate them to keep going, or simply remind them that hope is a powerful tool in life's journey. It's a testament to the human spirit's capacity for hope and positivity. We hope this video has filled your heart with a bit of hope too. Understanding and using expressions like heart full of hope can enrich your English communication, making it more vibrant and emotionally resonant. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about what those words make us feel and believe. Keep practicing, stay hopeful, and until our next video, keep your heart full of hope. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.